Today, I want you to think about something as simple as a marshmallow. Weird, right? But stick with me, there's a powerful lesson here about making your stories unforgettable. See, a marshmallow is just a marshmallow until you roast it, dip it, or add something special. Then it becomes something amazing. The same is true for your stories. I call this the Marshmallow Effect. Those small intentional changes that take your content from good to unforgettable. Before we talk about marshmallows, let me ask you to subscribe, like, and share this video with other creators you know. And check out the resources I've curated just down in the description to help you make videos people will talk about. Okay, back to the marshmallow effect. You know, when you watch a video that really sticks with you, it's not just about perfect lighting or fancy editing, it's about that extra that taps into your memory and makes you feel something. That's what I want to talk about, how you can add that unforgettable impact to your own stories. All right, so here's the deal. The marshmallow effect is all about making small strategic choices that boost the impact of your story. I'm not talking about a big budget overhaul. These are subtle shifts, little tweaks to your story, your pacing, and visuals that tap into something deeper. And when you do it right, your viewers don't just watch, they remember. Here are 3 power moves to make your story memorable. You'll probably want to write these down. Number 1, build anticipation. Think about toasting a marshmallow. You wait for that perfect golden brown moment. It's the same with stories. You don't just dive into the big moments, you let your audience feel the buildup. You're creating anticipation, pulling them in step by step. This is how you get your viewers to lean in, to feel that tension, to stay with you until the payoff. So ask yourself, am I giving my audience a reason to stick around? Space out those moments and give your audience time to care. Number 2, add unexpected details. Here's where things get interesting. Imagine biting into a marshmallow and, surprise, there's chocolate inside. That unexpected touch is memorable. In your videos, add these little elements of surprise, a unique soundbite, a shift in the narrative, and unexpected visual. These create what I call emotional stickiness. It's what makes your stories stay in their minds. Next time you're editing, look for those unexpected details that make your audience go, whoa, I didn't see that coming. Number 3, end on a high note visually by using powerful closing shots, final emotional moments. Here's the last bite, the part that lingers. When you wrap up a story, how do you want your audience to feel? Do you want them to feel inspired, connected, amazed? That's the emotion you end with. The last thing they see, hear, or feel will be what they remember. Don't just end your story, leave a lasting taste. Make that ending powerful, memorable, and emotional. It's that final touch that keeps your story alive in their minds. So are you ready for my takeaway? Start adding marshmallow effects to your stories. Build that anticipation, surprise them with details, finish strong. These small touches are what transform content from something they watch to something they remember. If you can turn an ordinary story into an extraordinary story, people will find you. Go out there and add your own marshmallow effect. If you're ready to dive deeper and learn how to turn an ordinary story into an extraordinary story, I've put together a course called Start with Story, End with Wow. It's packed with time-tested principles to help you elevate your work and stand out in your space. And if you want some one-on-one guidance, I also offer coaching to help you take your stories to the next level. Thanks for watching.